Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some of the coolest mobile homes you can live in for years. From sleek, modern designs to rugged off-road beasts, these mobile homes are packed with innovative features and offer a unique perspective on living spaces. First up, we're taking you to a world where sustainability meets modern design. Ark Shelters. Imagine waking up to panoramic views of nature, sunlight streaming through floor-to-ceiling windows, all while minimizing your environmental footprint. These mobile homes are all about blending seamlessly with their surroundings. They're built with sustainable materials and designed to be energy efficient, so you can enjoy the great outdoors without harming it. Plus, they're incredibly customizable. Want to add a rooftop deck for stargazing? Go for it. Need a dedicated workspace with a view? Ark Shelters can make it happen. They offer various sizes and layouts to fit your lifestyle, from cozy studios to spacious family homes. They can be equipped with solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and composting toilets, allowing you to live independently and reduce your reliance on traditional utilities. It's like having a high-tech treehouse that's built for the future, so whether you're dreaming of a secluded retreat in the woods or a beachfront escape with stunning ocean views, Ark Shelters offer a unique and sustainable way to experience mobile living at its finest. Alright, adventure seekers, this one's for you. If you're looking for a mobile home that can handle anything you throw at it, the Conqueror UEV 490 is ready to roll. This beast is built for exploring the most rugged terrains and taking you off the beaten path in style and comfort. The UEV 490 is not your average mobile home. It's a go-anywhere, do-anything machine that's built like a tank but feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. We're talking military-grade chassis, independent suspension, and massive all-terrain tires that can conquer mountains, deserts, you name it. Inside, the UEV 490 is surprisingly spacious and well-equipped. You've got a full kitchen with a stove, refrigerator, and even an oven, so you can whip up gourmet meals no matter where your adventures take you. And when it's time to call it a night, the UEV 490 has you covered with a comfortable sleeping area that can accommodate up to 4 people. It comes equipped with solar panels, a water filtration system, and a diesel heater, so you can stay powered up, hydrated and warm, even in the most remote locations. So if you're ready to ditch the grid, embrace the unknown, and explore the world on your own terms, the Conqueror UEV 490 is the ultimate adventure companion. It's about pushing boundaries, embracing challenges, and living life to the fullest. Next up, we're shifting gears to a mobile home that redefines sustainable living, the OffGrid HC container house Gaia. This innovative home combines the industrial chic of a shipping container with cutting-edge eco-friendly technology to create a truly unique and self-sufficient living space. The OffGrid HC container house. Gaia is anything but ordinary. It's been completely transformed into a modern and stylish home that's as functional as it is sustainable. The exterior features a sleek, minimalist design with large windows that flood the interior with natural light. The Gaia is designed to maximize space and functionality, with a well-appointed kitchen, a cozy living area, a comfortable bedroom, and a full bathroom. The Gaia is equipped with a state-of-the-art solar power system that provides all the electricity you need, so you can say goodbye to those pesky energy bills. The Gaia also features a rainwater harvesting system that collects and filters rainwater for drinking, cooking, and bathing, reducing your reliance on municipal water sources. Plus, it has a composting toilet system that turns waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer, further minimizing your environmental impact. Imagine living completely off the grid, generating your own power, collecting your own water, and even managing your waste sustainably. It's about embracing a more conscious and responsible way of life, reducing your footprint, and proving that sustainable living can be both stylish and comfortable. So if you're ready to live lighter on the planet without sacrificing modern conveniences, the Gaia is calling your name. It's about living in harmony with nature without compromising on style or comfort. Let's talk tiny homes, but not just any tiny home, the Ecocapsule. This is for those who want to minimize their footprint without sacrificing modern comforts. The Ecocapsule immediately grabs your attention with its futuristic, egg-shaped design. It's compact, aerodynamic, and designed to withstand harsh environments, almost like a high-tech survival pod. Inside, it's surprisingly spacious and well-designed. The Ecocapsule comfortably accommodates 2 people with a foldable bed, a fully equipped kitchenette, a working area, and even a spa-like bathroom. Natural light floods the interior thanks to the large, strategically placed windows, creating a sense of openness despite its compact size. It's fitted with solar panels that blanket its surface, capturing enough sunlight to power the entire unit. It also has a built-in rainwater collection system and a filtration unit, ensuring you have access to clean water no matter where you are. This means you can take your Ecocapsule off the grid, completely independent of traditional utilities. It's about reducing your environmental impact without sacrificing comfort or style. So if you're ready to embrace a minimalist lifestyle, live closer to nature, and make a positive impact, the Ecocapsule is ready to take you there. Now let's talk about a mobile home solution that's all about flexibility and adaptability, the FlexDome. This isn't your typical mobile home, it's a temporary housing system designed to be deployed quickly and efficiently in various environments. The FlexDome utilizes a geodesic dome structure, making it incredibly strong and stable, able to withstand harsh weather conditions and even seismic activity. It can be set up in a matter of hours by a small team, making it ideal for disaster relief efforts, temporary housing projects, or even just as a unique and comfortable camping solution. The FlexDome is designed with comfort in mind. Its spacious interior can be customized to include sleeping areas, living spaces, kitchens, and even bathrooms, all with proper insulation and ventilation for year-round comfort. The translucent nature of the dome allows natural light to fill the interior, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The FlexDome can be outfitted with various amenities including solar panels for off-grid power, water filtration systems, and even composting toilets, making it a sustainable and self-sufficient housing solution. Whether it's providing shelter after a natural disaster, offering a comfortable and unique accommodation option for ecotourism, or simply serving as a temporary home during a renovation, the FlexDome is a versatile and innovative solution. It's about providing safe, comfortable, and sustainable shelter wherever and whenever it's needed. Calling all outdoor enthusiasts and tech lovers. If you're looking to elevate your camping game to a whole new level, the TentsXpert solar-powered tent, POWERDOME is here to revolutionize your outdoor experience. The POWERDOME is a fusion of cutting-edge technology and rugged outdoor gear designed to provide a comfortable and sustainable camping experience like no other. Imagine this. You're out in the wilderness, miles from civilization, yet you have access to power for your devices, lights for your campsite, and even a fan to keep you cool on those warm summer nights. Integrated into the tent's design is a flexible solar panel system that harnesses the power of the sun to keep your essential devices charged and running. No more bulky portable power stations or worrying about running out of juice in the middle of nowhere. It's designed with a unique dome structure that provides ample headroom and a spacious interior. The tent is made from durable, weather-resistant materials, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable no matter the elements. Setting up the POWERDOME is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive design and color-coded poles. The POWERDOME is perfect for weekend camping trips, extended stays in nature, or even as a reliable shelter for festivals and events. It's about embracing the outdoors without sacrificing comfort or convenience. So whether you're an avid camper, a tech-savvy adventurer, or just looking for a unique and sustainable way to experience the great outdoors, the TentsXpert solar-powered tent, POWERDOME is the ultimate companion for your next adventure. Finally, let's step into the world of remote work and mobile living with the autonomous StudioPod. This is for digital nomads, freelancers, or anyone who dreams of working from anywhere with a reliable and inspiring workspace. The StudioPod is essentially a mobile office and living space combined, designed to provide a comfortable and productive environment no matter where you choose to set up shop. Picture this. You wake up to stunning ocean views, brew a cup of coffee in your StudioPod's kitchenette, and seamlessly transition to your workstation, all without leaving your cozy mobile haven. The StudioPod's sleek and modern design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It features large windows that offer panoramic views and flood the interior with natural light, creating an inspiring and energizing workspace. Inside, you'll find a spacious desk with ergonomic seating, perfect for long work sessions. The StudioPod also includes a comfortable sleeping area, a compact bathroom with a shower, and plenty of storage space for your belongings. It comes equipped with high-speed internet connectivity, multiple power outlets, and smart home features that allow you to control lighting, temperature, and even security with ease. Imagine working from a secluded beach in Bali, a charming village in Tuscany, or the heart of a bustling city, all while enjoying the comforts of a stylish and functional mobile home. It's about breaking free from the traditional office setting, embracing a flexible and location-independent lifestyle, and creating a workspace that inspires creativity and productivity. Thanks for watching. We've journeyed through some incredible mobile homes, each pushing the boundaries of design, sustainability, and what it means to live in a connected world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.